Beat eczema by avoiding the main causes. Eczema causes the uncontrollable urge to itch. By the time you are done, you may be left with a painful open sore. One of the ways to stop outbreaks is to determine the cause of yours. Get started by familiarizing yourself with the most common causes. Is yours listed? If so, you may soon be on the path to relief. Common eczema cause: the weather. For eczema sufferers, the weather not only determines their activities for the day, but it also determines what their skin will do. The weather can work both ways. Some patients experience complications with cold weather. Sometimes, their body doesn't have enough time to adjust to the cold weather before strenuous activity, and then arrives the urge to itch. On the other hand, hot weather can lead to an eczema outbreak. In this case, it isn't necessarily the weather, but the sweat caused by warm temperatures. Common eczema cause: airborne allergens. When we think of allergies, stuffy noses and sneezing often come to mind. However, those suffering from eczema can have a skin reaction, which leads to itching and then a rash. This results when the airborne allergen makes contact with the skin. A good example is dust. When during or vacuuming a home, tiny particles find their way into the air and on the skin. This causes irritation, which leads to itching. Common eczema cause: stress. Many medical professionals claim stress isn't a cause of eczema, but they do agree it can lead to an increase in outbreaks. Who would know that stress impacts our skin? It does. Those who have a history of skin inflammation are encouraged to practice relaxation techniques. Common eczema cause: certain chemicals. Right about now, you may be thinking, but I don't use harmful chemicals. It isn't just harmful chemicals that can cause skin irritation. Chemicals found in everyday products, such as laundry detergent, makeup, and perfume, can lead to an eczema outbreak. This is due to the extremely close skin contact. Common eczema cause: food. You have likely heard the phrase "you are what you eat," and this is true. You may be surprised to hear the foods that we eat can impact our skin. Unfortunately, tasty foods, such as peanuts and seafood, are common trigger factors for those with eczema. You now know a few of the most common causes of eczema or atopic dermatitis. But now what? Once you're able to determine the cause of your uncontrollable urge to itch, you can work on eliminating the trigger factor. Until then, keep your body well moisturized and, as difficult as it is, fight the urge to itch.